Emmy, how old are you?
2.
2. Is today your birthday?
Yeah.
Are you a birthday girl? Yes.
What are you eating?
Cupcakes.
Yeah, cupcakes.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emmy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
What do you want for your birthday? What do you want?
Cupcakes?
Okay.
Pizza?
No.
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 Just
Cupcakes.
cupcake time?
Is that a good cupcake? Do you like red velvet cupcakes?
More.
You want more? Yeah. Good job, Dad. You should do it over the plate.
Sprinkles.
Yeah, it's got sprinkles. Good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emmy. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, eat it.
Yummy.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
Are they good sprinkles?
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, yum.
You're so silly.
What color is the frosting?
What? Oh,
Good job.
Good.
I ate it.
You do eat it. Good job. You okay? Do you want some water?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, let's get you water.